Hey family, my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned and I'm about to seal in moisture with my DIY shea butter mix. And before then, I'll oil my scalp as I always do. I'll leave the oils I use in the description below. This video was made same day I did the aloe vera scalp treatment. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description for your convenience. So after the scalp treatment, I conditioned my hair, rinsed it out before the styling. So basically this is what I do on my wash days. After rinsing out the conditioner, I oil my scalp and then divide my hair into sections and seal in moisture with my whipped shea butter. I try as much as possible to work it well into the strands and finally twist it up when I'm done with a section. So for this style, once I was done sealing in moisture, I took out the twist and started styling. If you are new here, welcome to Rosy Natural. My name is Rose and on this channel I share my natural hair journey. It includes hair care, hairstyles and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. So if this is something you would love, then don't forget to subscribe and join this family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by, for liking, sharing and commenting on my videos. I appreciate you all. I'll be putting the back section in a puff with a hair tie I made from pantyhose. Whenever I do a puff with any kind of hair tie, I make sure it's not too tight to cause any kind of discomfort on my scalp. So when it's tight, I loosen it up a bit, but enough to hold the hair together. I also make sure to avoid the hair strands when making a knot with the hair tie. To keep my hair stretched and detangled and also my ends protected, I put my puff in chunky twists and pin them up. So here's the finished look. If you are looking for a style that wouldn't put tension on your edges, you can try what I did in front. If you are trying to regrow your edges, try as much as possible to go with low tension hairstyles. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.